Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the AI Chatbot OpenChat AI application as a translator. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the assistant button down below in the right side corner. Tap on Translation, Efficient and Accurate Language Translation Services. Now you should select your target language. Tap on Apply and enter the word or sentence that you would like to translate. Click on Submit. And in a few seconds you will be able to find your complete translation. So here you can find the word translated. You can give feedback either with a thumbs up or thumbs down, and click on the adjust button to adjust the verbal style, such as normal, academic, casual talk, friendly, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.